stop being such a grouch like that.
She's talking to you here. Talk to Daddy.
Yeah.
Talk to
What are
Daddy.
you doing? Why so smiley? That's right. Okay.
Talk to Daddy.
Are you gonna be smiley all day? Hope so. Yes. That's a good girl. Yes. That's right. Say.
Yeah, it's
What
Daddy.
is it?
Daddy.
Daddy's
to
here,
Daddy.
talking to you. Huh?
Talk to Daddy,
Where's
Mamas.
Allison?
Staring at the iPod.
Talk
Where's
to
Allison?
Daddy, Mamas.
Bring it back.
Where's that?
She's not gonna stop staring at
Talk
it.
to Daddy.
Yeah, that's a good girl.
Can't even see her smile.
She's all happy, all smiley. I wish you could have seen it.
Now let me do the other baby. Put me on speaker.
Hmm?
Let me do the other baby.
Oh, the other baby? You're on speaker. She hears you.
Yeah.
They can both hear you.